Does your Ninja Creami smell funky between uses, or have sticky buildup around the bowl or lid? Here's how to store it properly so it stays clean, dry, and odor-free. Step 1. Always clean immediately after use. Don't let residue sit on the paddle, lid, or pint overnight. Wash everything after each spin, especially when using dairy, nut butters, or mix-ins. Step 2. Let all parts air dry before putting them away. Storing parts while damp can lead to mildew and sour smells. Lay the lid, blade, bowl, and pint container out on a clean towel until fully dry. Step 3. Store the base unit in a dry, ventilated area. Avoid cabinets that trap heat or moisture. Keep the machine unplugged and away from stovetops or dishwashers. Step 4. Leave the lid off the outer bowl when storing. Trapping moisture inside a sealed bowl is a recipe for odors. Store the lid and bowl separately, or leave the lid slightly ajar. Step 5. Use baking soda or vinegar if smells develop. If your creamy parts already smell, soak them in warm water with a spoonful of baking soda or white vinegar. Rinse thoroughly and dry before using again. Proper storage extends the life of your creamy and keeps your next pint tasting clean. Support link is in the description if you need replacement parts or cleaning tools. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and keep it clean.